Yes, yes.
So very good evening, my dear brothers and sisters. Today you all are looking excited because today is a special day. Today is the final of public speaking competition on our platform. And today's topic is also very excited because you are going to talk about your feeling, your experience. You are going to give your feedback also in your speech. So in short, I want to say good luck. And I would like to request all judges. At last, judges will give us a feedback speech also about the whole competition. And again, all the best. And I would like to request our today's anchor, Mr. Pankaj from Udaipur. So I would like to hand over the whole program to Mr. Pankaj Udaipur. Yeah, so you can start.
Okay, thank you, Prakash sir. So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the final round of our performancing show, Weekend Institute Public Speaking Show. So, all the finalists are ready here, and there are 6 finalists here. And today we will check out who is the leader, who is the winner of the battle. So our today's battle is very simple, very cute battle, I can say, because our today's topic is speak about our platform Weekend. So finalists, are you excited? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
I welcome all the participants who join us here on our live show, and I also welcome all the participants who will watch this show after the posting on YouTube. So I welcome Prakash sir, I welcome all the judges, I welcome all the participants here, and I welcome all the finalists. There are 6 finalists. Here is Srivani, Papia, Surjit Mishra, Kenjal, Vaishali, and Subhash Paul sir. Give a big hand for all the finalists. Okay, so there is a game I want to play here. Uh, I I announce our participant name in a clue. I give all the judges, all the participants here a clue and a place name. So all the participant or judge have find out who is the participant who I'm calling. Okay, so let's start. Everyone is okay. Mr. Kayur, are you okay? Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, here is the clue of our first participant. First, let me complete, then you will announce, you will decide, you will call the name of that participant. Okay. So, our first participant is multitasking, multi-talented, a cute girl, a youngest participant of Weekend Institute. He belongs from Goats on Town, Spice Garden of India. Can you guess the name?
Yes, Srivani.
Srivani.
Absolutely right, Srivani. Give up a big hand, Srivani. Come on the stage and rock the stage.
Thank you, sir. So, greetings, everyone. First of all, I would like to share my heartfelt gratitude towards Prakash sir, all our beloved judges, today's host, Mr. Pankaj Udaipur sir, and all those for being with us today and for supporting me. So, as we all are aware, today's topic is to speak on our lovely and wonderful institute Weekend. So, I feel like starting my speech with a short story. So, once upon a time, there was a farmer who had 3 sons. And one day, the farmer saw the 3 sons arguing with each other. And from then on, he was able to notice all the 3 sons arguing with each other all the time. So being very sad, the farmer decided that he should teach the children a lesson. Then he brought a bundle of sticks and gave the bundle of sticks one by one to his 3 sons. And the 3 sons were asked to break them. So all the 3 sons couldn't break the bundle. Then the farmer untied the bundle and gave the sticks each to the 3. And then the 3 sons were again asked to break that. The sons broke the bundle within a second. So now without the words of the farmer, the children, the 3 sons, were able to understand what the farmer meant. From then on, they started to work unitedly without arguing with each other. So by this, I would like to make you remember a sentence. India is a country with unity in diversity, and we can institute with Indian people follows the same. Now I would want to move to my speech. So first of all, I would want to start with my experiences. So I came across this platform when I was watching the videos of Prakash sir with Cambly native speakers in YouTube. So I was so impressed by Prakash sir's way of speaking, his English, his humbleness and everything. So I took the step to email sir. And on the next day, sir accepted my email and I was selected for coming to this platform. Since then, I am very excited for the clock to hit 9 p.m. I'm very excited to see you all. I'm very excited to join the platform. So our platform has so far developed when comparing from the first time of the development of this platform. So we can say that Prakash sir puts a lot of effort for this. He puts a lot of effort for our platform to become interesting. So I must thank sir a lot for this. At last but not the least, I have been influenced by many people in this platform. So as everyone is, I got influenced by Prakash sir a lot. Not by 1 or 2 points, but by many points. So if I start telling each and every points, then the points wouldn't be finished within this session. So also, I am so much influenced by many people like Jaya ma'am, Nageshwar sir, Shanta ma'am, Geeta ma'am, Shubhasri ma'am, Ruchi ma'am, Papya ma'am, etc. So all of the people here have influenced me a lot. And this platform has helped me to improve my fluency, accuracy, and many things such as vocabulary sessions that sir has taken. So as I conclude my words, I would want to make you remember a quote. Where there is unity, there is always victory. So our platform always follows the same. So I end my words. Thank you. Hello, sir.
Thank you, Shivani. Thank you very much for your nice speech here. I think it was very nice to hear and very good for that. So let's move to our next contestant. I would like to call our next contestant by the name. He is immortal. He belongs the city which is famous for the temple. We can say the temple city of India. Can you guess the participant name?
Papya ma'am.
Anyone?
Papya ma'am.
Papya ma'am.
No. He is
Urjit sir.
one the
He is
most,
pronounced
no,
he is telling
he is
he.
one and most intelligent person, most knowledgeable person of our show, Mr. Surjit Mishra.
Thank you so much,
Welcome,
sir.
Surjit Mishra, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. A warm and sincere good evening to all of you. It's a wonder to see all of you here on the English learning platform. Distinguished Prakash sir and honorable judges and my fellow participants, it is pleasure for me being being in final round. I would especially like to thank our judges to give me such a chance to speak in this final round. Our today's session is about our online platform, Weekend Institute. So Weekend Institute, founded by Prakash sir, and at present it has 28,000, more than 28,000 subscribers and 200 plus wonderful videos in its playlist. And at present, I mean, right the moment, we are 20 participants activated on this platform. And if I am not wrong, on 4th April 2017, Prakash sir started working on this platform. So Weekend Institute platform is one of the unique platform. A online e-learning platform is an integrated set of interactive interactive services that provides the learners and the trainers and who are others involved in this platform provides with information tools and resources to enhance and support the education delivery and management. So in this way, I can say Weekend Institute platform, online platform is a multi-platform that provides online e-learning environment to the English learners. English learners log into a completely wide variety of online activities like study vocabulary, reading, grammar, and the debate competitions, and your speaking and learning practice. It also teaches us about discipline and how to what is the principle of public speaking. So it made a huge difference in the system and open a great opportunity to everyone who wants to learn something. The only one aim of this platform is to provide unify the communication, presentation, and the skills of the learners. And I can say without any cost, without no cost, this platforms provide the teaching curriculars or the activities to the learners. On 11th February 2020, the WHO announces the new disease, new coronavirus disease named as COVID-19. And on 22 March 2020, India declares nationwide lockdown. So as lockdown continues throughout the world, and many individuals are heading online for help. The total 6-month period, I think it has been like crazy life periods. I think it has been a crazy life period for me, and I am also sure it has been also crazy life period for you. We caged up ourselves in home because of fear of coronavirus, and our lifestyles, everything around us, the way we do work, the way we learn, the way we yearn, the way we live, everything has changed, and that has also affected our emotions. So you know that whenever we gathered our emotions togetherly and we have failed to how to react about this. So in this critical period, during this critical situation, one day on the month of April, I just scroll over on the YouTube and I got a video of Prakash with talking with Cambly's, and then after one video in which Prakash teaching about the idioms. So I just captivated of the way of speaking, the way of teaching Prakash adapted, and he just makes the things easier to understandable to the learners how to just give examples of our own life, so the learners can easily understand it. So gradually I watched the videos of Prakash sir, and I just captivated, and I sent an email request to Prakash sir. Then after 2 to 3 days, sir accepted my request, and I just get the ID and password in the Zoom meeting room. So one most important thing I learned from
Sorry
Prakash
to
sir.
tell you, sir, but your time is up.
Okay, can I request for 1 minute more, sir?
Yeah, you can ask to our anchors, today's anchor. Okay, Sujit sir, you can conclude your in next 1 minute. Okay.
Okay.
Carry on, sir.
Thank you, sir. Okay. So sorry for interrupting this. So in this way, I got just admitted in this Zoom meeting section. Can you believe it that when most of us come into this platform, we are Aaj Nervous Aaj, we are the past day of schools, and we are the freshmen completely full of hesitation and shyness. But committing the learning and your eagerness, you just want to learn new things and new skills. That's why after such 6 months after, we think we have learned much more things, and we are able to speak on fluently. So I believe the change and change within me through the learning platform. I am also sure that you guys also the same feelings in your heart. And finally, I want to conclude that there are many more things I write, but I finally concluded this platform also provides such in a one moment, at a one moment, more than one teachers like Prakash sir, Nageshwar sir, Jaya ma'am, Geeta ma'am, and Santa ma'am. So it is a good thing for us. And then finally, I want to conclude with the quote. As for Joyce Mary, that light quoted that the teachers can change the lives with just right mix of joke and with the right mix of joke and challenges. Thank you so much.
Super, very nice, Sujit Mishra sir. And yes, today's session is little bit of different session because today the topic is very nice. It expresses the feelings of all the participants. It's goosebumps moment when someone expresses the feeling about the show. And yes, there are lots of teachers. There are sweet teachers. There are very knowledgeable teachers. And you all know that this month is also known as Teacher Month. So today we are very happy. So thank you very much. And yes, sorry, judges, I give 1 minute to Surjit Mishra sir because this is a feeling session. So everyone has rights to express their feelings.
Yes.
Without
Yes,
your
yes.
permission, I give 1 minute more.
Okay, it's
Okay. So let's carry on and move ahead. So our next participant is very knowledgeable and very beautiful. We all can see the next teacher in her. She is the shadow of teacher, and definitely it's my belief one day she became a good teacher, she became a great teacher. If I'm talking about the place, so she belongs from Orange Garden, Tripura. Can you guess the name?
Papiya, ma'am.
Yeah.
Papiya ma'am.
Yes, absolutely correct. Give up a big hand for Papiya. So I welcome Papiya. I call you. Come and break all the records because today is the final and today is your day.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Pankaj sir, for saying so many good words for me. So before I start my topic, I would like to thank all of the judges and also our respected Prakash sir and all of the co-participants for having me here. So with that, you all know that our today's topic is very exciting because it is all about our experience. There is nothing to learn, only we have to express that what we have experienced in those days. So our today's topic is all about our Weekend Institute. So first of all, before going to tell how I find that session and what is my experience, I want to ask all of you one question: that what do you think if you would not join that session before some months ago or some days ago? So what would be your speaking skills right now? So I'm pretty sure that you all might be thinking that we would not be so much confident and so much fluent what we are today. So might be you all are thinking that, right? So exactly same with me. I also feel that if I would not join that session, I would be not that much confident to speak in front of you all for 5 minutes. It is really huge. Because before some days I couldn't believe that I can speak for 5 minutes without stopping. So today let's go to that how I find that session. So let's talk about that. So many of you can relate to me. I also find that session like while I was watching some YouTube Cambly videos, then I got to know that Prakash sir arranged some Zoom session where we can also participate. So I was also curious, and also doubt was in me that if really he will join me or not. So with that, I just leave a message and I asked him that please join me in your session, and he is very kind of him that he joined me in his session. And from that, if I compare my first day with now, I can proudly say that now I am improved a lot, because first day I was not able to speak properly. So in that platform, I learned many things. I get confidence. I get how to speak with different kind of people, and that with how to speak with accuracy. And the fourth thing, the most precious thing that I got from that platform is you. Because all of you, I got so many friends, so many teachers from the various different states of my lovable country, which is really precious for me. I got many teachers like Jaya ma'am, Nageshwar sir, Shanta ma'am, Prakash sir, and I got friends like Lakshmi and then Ranjana. I want to share with incident with you that some days ago we are many days we are we are familiar with each other, right? So one day me, Ranjana and Lakshmi just started to wanted to know each other more better. So we just started to speak with each other. We thought that it would be a general conversation for 1 hour, but you will be surprised to know that we conversate for 5 hours 20 minutes. Means I give that example to let you know that we become friends, and that platform gave us the friend from different states. Which can't be which would not be think by ourselves before some months ago. So I want to say that from the platform, in the platform, everyone is very supportive. If I say about my hosting session, I was not able to share my screen. That day also, Yogesh sir helped me to share my screen. And everyone here, I am not taking everyone's names because there is no time to share about everyone. But I want to thank all of you for teaching me many things. In your hosting session also, everyone teach me many things. And I also want to tell you that if we will stand together, then we can learn together, and we will grow together, right? So also I want to thank in the lastly I want to say that alone we can learn so little, but together we can learn much more. So let's learn together, let's grow together, and one day we will reach our vision, which is to fluent in English. So with that, I want to say that we can, and thank you for having me here. Thank you so much.
Okay, give up a big hand for Papia also. And yes, she described all the things about this platform. And yes, without this platform, we are not fluent as much as today we are. So I think she is very right. And so all of you, I want to ask one question: how this show going on? How you feel now after listening all three participants? Are you excited?
Very well. Yeah, too much.
Yeah, we are excited.
Absolutely right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
So
All of the participants speech.
Okay. So next, we should carry on. Our next participant is also very beautiful, very cute, and always a good listener. If from my thought, she is very good listener. And by the name of the meaning is Bank of River. And yes, she belongs from the billionaires state. The people of their state are very helpful. Most of billionaires of India belongs from this state. Can you guess the name of this girl?
Kinjal, ma'am.
Kinjal, ma'am.
Yes, you are absolutely right. She is only Kinjal. Give up a big hand. I welcome Kinjal. Please come on the stage and express your feelings about this show.
Thank you so much, sir. I start my speech with some quotations. So the only source of knowledge is experience. As experience is the teacher at all things. So be brave, take risks. Nothing can substitute experience. So welcome and good evening to all my dear friends, our respected Prakash sir and our judges, and all my fabulous friends. So I start my speech with some quotation about experience. So today's our topic is about experience. Experience is very big thing in our life. We learn many new things from our experience. When we try first time anything, that's all experience, and we learn many new things, things from this experience. So I share my all experience about Weekend Institute with you all. Start my journey on Weekend Institute 4 months ago. I watched some videos of Cambly conversation of Prakash sir and this wonderful session on YouTube. After that, I joined this session. So when first time I joined this session, first 2 days I never get chance, but after third day I got a chance to speak, and this is the first experience of my life that I speak on front of 20 to 25 people in English, and it was good experience of my life. Yes, it's right that my second experience was not so good because that time our Rahula Hussain sir came on our session and he asked me some question about immigration, but I never understand much. I never understood what he asked me, and I give a wrong answer. So that time I get some stress and I never give right answer. And I thought so much about that. After that, my dad told me that it happen in life because when you learn new things, that time it always happen that you never give a right answer. You never take your trend. So it's happened. So don't worry. After that, I joined again this session. I learned many new things. I learned how to express our feelings, how to express yourself. I learned this is the biggest thing because I never expressed myself mostly. So I learned this thing that how to express yourself in front of other people. Then we all know that we started our new season, season 2, and Prakash sir arranged the new thing that we all got chance to become anchor, to become host, and we hosted a show for a 1 day, and we all host. That time we learned many new things about vocabulary. We learned grammar and proverbs. Many new things we learned. I also get chance to host the show, and I host very well. That time I feel like I'm very happy because that time I become a more confident. I give my speech without any hesitation. So it feel like adventure. I feel like that I bring any new adventure and I solve all levels. So it was very nice and I feeling very good after that. Then I got chance to take part in public speaking and I give my speech on public speaking competition. I never thought that I won second second prize, second place. And that day, and today I give a speech about our Weekend Institute experience. So it's very nice for me. It's very good for me. Few days ago, one banker called me for a job interview, and I did conversation with him in English, and at the same time my dad listened me, because he never listened me in English speaking when I speak first time English with other person, and he listened me, and he got very happy to listening me speaking English. So my dad and my parents are also very happy to listen me, and I also very happy that I speak good. I speak very nicely in English. I make many friends in this institute, which I did conversation with Ruchi ma'am, Subhashri ma'am, Geeta Mohan ma'am, there's Ranjana Goswami. You all are helping me in improving my English. I enhance day by day my speaking English. I get accuracy day by day in my English. Okay. So I just want to thank you to everyone for giving me this great opportunity. Thank you.
Okay, superb, Kinjal, and very nice thought
Thank you.
about Weekend Institute. And yes, I also agree with you. If we make our parents happy, if we make proud our parents, I think this is the most precious time of our life. This is the most luckiest time of our life. I think so, from my point of view. So I think our first session near about to end. So I will announce our next participant in next session. So in this time, we will go to our participant. I would like to invite. He is not finalist. He is not participant to today's. But we will. I will invite for some gossiping, some thoughts, some expressions, some thinking about the show. I will invite Yogesh Mishra sir. What do you think? What is your thought about this platform?
Yes. Thank you, Pankaj. My experience in this platform is like I never thought I never think we can get this confidence, and we will make a friend from the various states. Like I got like you and Nageshwar sir and Jaya madam and so many friends. Like from them they are like a familiar, but because of that platform we get to know each other, and yeah, we can say one thing, like the people is here, they are very helpful, they never get you down if you have done any mistake, and they are there for the feedback, and it feedback is very useful for our learning situation. So it also depend on us how we take their feedback. But yes, I feel very happy whenever we come. Like this time they are 6 participants. So they are the final participant, but I was very excited to listen them. It feels like I am going to participant. Like what said like this. And I'm also happy you are the today host. Uh, you are the sick before 2 or 3 days. Now I'm looking you. You are very energetic, and I'm very proud of you. Your hosting is a very good. I always want to
Thank
see
you.
you as a host.
Thank you, Yogesh Mishra sir. But I'm feeling very